Yo, welcome back. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader. And today we finna talk about another DoorDash scam that's going on right now. And if you want to make sure you stay up to date with what's going on the DoorDash platform, hit that like and the subscribe button. Stop playing with me. They out here trying to scam us for that money.
Sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
So look, y'all, we got another scam that's going on right now. Say you get a Taco Bell order, right? For like a packet of sauce or for no food at all. Maybe it's just for some napkins or something. And then you pick up the order and then boom, all of a sudden you get a call from DoorDash. And it's a detective from DoorDash, a DoorDash detective. Now that if that don't put off some red flags right there, I don't know what will. He's saying that the order was placed fraudulently and the card that was used don't really exist or some nonsense, right? Was to say, I need your credit card information in order to facilitate this order. What? Can you pull over and do a 3-step verification? And these scammers are getting bold as hell. I mean, the audacity to call somebody, say they DoorDash, and then in the same breath, say they're a detective. They go on to say they've been recently targeting DoorDash drivers, and with the tried and true method of using the phishing scam with a couple remixes, drivers are getting scammed out of their personal information and they are losing access to their DoorDash accounts and getting their accounts. We already got enough to deal with. But now the scammers are taking it a step further and posing as law enforcement. Don't fall for this scam. Let's dive right into it. Scam is very simple. It's one that has been previously talked about, but we're going to go over it again real quick. A driver will receive an order for a ridiculous item, like a ridiculously cheap item. Sometimes it can be a Taco Bell sauce packet, a McDonald's ketchup packet, even something as simple as napkins or a packet of salt. And once you receive that offer, the driver, just wanting to fulfill the order, drives to the merchant, picks up that order, right? Takes it, picks it up, and then they receive a call from quote unquote DoorDash support. But here's the kicker though. This is the scammer trying to gain access and entry to your account. On the phone will tell them that the address was incorrect. There was some type of mishap with the payment information, something. And they want to make sure that you follow some steps to ensure that you get paid. This is where the scam begins. One of the steps is they want you to share a code with them, and this sharing of this code, a verification code, will relinquish access from you and give it to them, and they will have complete control over your whole DoorDash account, including your earnings. Now, you never want to do this. You are never supposed to ever give anybody a verification code that's been sent to you, especially under these circumstances. So you want to make sure that you never sharing codes with anyone for any reason, because DoorDash support will never ask you for a verification code. If you're a driver who has payouts directly attached to their bank account, you actually can be at risk for identity theft and further levels of fraud that even surpass the DoorDash platform. So you want to make sure that you're taking extra precautions and locking down all your assets and all your funds, in the event that something like this happens. Now, there are instances where you receive orders for ketchup packets or salt packets, and they actually are valid orders. But 9 times out of 10, you want to make sure that you keep your eyes and your you want to make sure that you keep your eyes peeled and you pay attention to what's going on around you, because 9 times out of 10, those red flags are going to be the indicators, and the only indicator that you get that a scam is trying to be performed on you. Now, DoorDash drivers already got it hard enough out there trying to make money, but now, and not really now, but more than ever, we need to be aware of these scams that are taking place, because they know drivers are desperate. They know that we not making money. So there lies the opportunity for them to take advantage of you by you being desperate to get that order done and get that money. You might actually lose and put yourself in a worse position because you was trying to be thirsty and get that money, and the scammers are taking advantage of that. Look, protect yourself, protect your account, protect your way to make money on the DoorDash platform. You telling me I wasn't recording none of that? All right, so thanks for making it this far in the video. Listen, all jokes aside, make sure you're protecting yourself so you don't fall victim to any scams. It's folks out there, their full-time job is to scam others. It doesn't matter if you a low-income person, middle class, or a high-income earner. It's folks out there that's bad actors, and their whole way of living is by scamming others. And it's unfortunate, but this is the world that we live in. And I would hate to see DoorDash drivers who trying to, make some extra money on the side or put something away for their kid or make money to pay on those medical bills. I would hate to hear that DoorDash drivers are out here getting scammed. And that DoorDash is not doing anything to help prevent this type of thing from happening. Because let's be honest, even though we know scammers and bad actors exist out there, the companies that we work for or are partnering with to facilitate these deliveries, they should put in an extra level of protection so that of us who are more at risk for being subject to one of these types of scams, we can have more protection. Let me know in the comment section below if you've ever encountered a scam like this or any other types of scams that you may have encountered when it comes to the DoorDash platform, and not specific to drivers or customers, any scam that could affect anyone that uses the platform on both sides. Let me know your experience with that, because I haven't had any yeah, I haven't had any experiences with scammers on DoorDash, but the reports of things happening to Dashers, that has been something that's been going on for a very long time. I want you guys to stay safe out there. Most of the people who watch this channel make good informed decisions when it comes to how we use the platform, and we kind of know that it's common sense not to give away your personal information, but there are some who are new to the platform and they may not understand that something like this is out of the ordinary, and it should automatically raise some red flags, so that if nothing else, you can have the peace of mind of going out there getting your money and not worrying if your account gonna be drained. Because unlike a traditional bank account where there is some fraudulent activity on your account, when you have a DoorDash Dasher Direct account, they don't take that extra step to notify you when somebody in a whole nother state then use your card somewhere you don't normally use it at. When you have this type of personal identification, bank information security issue with a traditional bank, they hit you up right away. Your money's protected. You have peace of mind that even if you get scammed, you're gonna get your money back. When it comes to this DoorDash scam that can affect drivers, there is no guarantee you get your money back if you get scammed. The only time I've seen folks actually get their money back is when they get a hold of local government, news organizations, different media outlets who kind of have a stronger hand and a bigger voice to help them receive those funds back. But DoorDash always initially never complies with any request to help out the driver when they've been scammed in this situation. Usually it takes the help of a government agency or a news agency reporting on this and shedding some bad light on the situation for DoorDash or any other company to do the right thing. Protect yourself. And look, before we get done with this video, I want to quickly give a shout out to all the channel members here on the FDA Dash Trader channel, because you guys are showing some support. So all channel members, you are officially getting a shout out right now. We're going to quickly just go down this list. I want to say shout out to Brooke, Detonator, Broken Lion, 3 Stacks, The Amazing Hustler, Laura D, A. Thomas, Sean Hampton, Lucky J, Brandon, Angela Reese, Rhonda, James, Melissa, D. Matthew, Candy, Yup, Jack of all trades, Cookie Water, or Cookie Wafer, my bad, Mary B, Trace Bennett, Jonathan Bowen, Edward Robello, Amanda Ward, Mariah Gaydon, Chris Sean, Austin Rides, Crit Forever, JJ Gaming, Megan with the smiley face, Rob M, DM Bo, Darius Marty, Heather Voorhees, J23, Dark Vader, Roy, Donna Drain, Brad Jackson, Tammy, Nicholas Lee, Ricardo, The Black Widow, Kahoka, Dashin Maverick, Love Smith, Hustleman Quail, Raised on Scrabble, Brandon. Oh, I said that name already. Raised on Scrabble. Where are we at? Raised on Scrabble. Tammy, Nicholas. Nah, I must have got backtracked. Cray Cray Nay, Gig Hustler PJ. Hold on, let's go to the next page. Is that everybody? I think that's everybody. Thank you to all channel members. If you want a shout out, consider buying a membership to the channel. And again, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.